How you doing today, sir?
I'm doing just fine.
I really like your picture. I love all your movies you have made.
Yeah, they made a movie about me one time. It was real successful. It
How
was
was
like a blockbuster.
How was the chocolate?
Well, Mama, she always said that life is like a box of chocolate.
What a mama.
You never know what you're going to get. Yeah, my mama was full of a lot of wisdom, but Jenny Dan just said she was full of other stuff.
Oh, I'm sure she would. Well, can I get a Zing Pow with you?
Zing Pow?
Yeah, real loud.
All right. Zing Pow.
Wow, 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 what a Zing Pow. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. What you got in there?
Yeah, this is my Curious George book.
Okay, I see it.
And I got my lucky feather.
Ooh, can I see
my lucky feather?
Nice.
And here's a picture of me and George W. Bush.
Oh, I see. What a great. And what do you have? I love your suitcase.
Yeah.
And the shoe, my God.
Yeah, these are those 94.
Oh, yeah, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow. Thank you again. Thank you very much.
Zing Pow.
Zing Pow, baby. Thank you.